Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have access. Now move fast. Sign into your Google account and open Gemini Trends. Start a new query and paste your primary keyword. Add a 1-month or custom date range so results are focused. This matters because short ranges show spikes while long ranges show trends. Once done, add a comparison term to reveal relative interest. Make sure to choose the correct region. Regional filtering changes rankings and related queries. You'll see baseline volume immediately. Now dig into the middle work. You'll refine with filters, switch region, category, and search type to isolate intent. That's why filtering matters. Image interest versus web interest can diverge. Apply smoothing to reduce noise, then stack up to 5 comparison terms to see proportional trends. Export CSV for deeper analysis in spreadsheets. Once exported, compute percent change and moving averages. Also check related queries and rising topics to discover long-tail opportunities and validate hypothesis before acting. Finish by turning insights into action. You'll export final CSV, annotate key dates, and copy screenshots for stakeholders. This helps map trends to campaigns. When implementing, prioritize high-growth rising queries and align content timing to peaks. If things go wrong, missing data, 0 results, or odd flat lines, first clear filters, expand the date range, and rerun. If still empty, swap to a broader region or related synonym. That fixes low-volume term issues and surfaces usable signals for decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.